Hi guys, welcome. Today I want to share with you some of my favorite cakes that I have made in the past. All right, this one here, it was a really fun but really challenging cake because it is completely gravity defying. Bus is jumping out of a box with all those shipping peanuts, and everything is edible. Everything looks like it's about to fall or roll off of the cake. The figurines are all edible as well, and I made a video of that, so we're working on putting that out for you guys to see and to learn how to make figurine. Another one of my favorite cakes, I love this descendant cakes because it has so many different elements. I have edible lace. I have edible cloth that's actually has like a gelatin base, so it's completely, it moves like fabric. It doesn't harden like fondant. So that was a really fun project and I love how it came out. Another one of my favorites is this Wizard of Oz cake. Everything was handmade. All the detail in the cake, I think it came out so nicely together. There's the corn, the scarecrow, the tree with all the apples in it. There's Dorothy and Toto with her sparkly little shoes. And it's just so girly with all the little flowers. And of course, Glenda, the witch on the top with the rainbow. So one of my favorites. This is another one of my favorites. This Chanel cake I made for my client this year. Top, I recreated little Chanel bag. The one that I made looked so realistic. I love the detail. On the ribbon, I put all these little gold dots to make it look like little like studs. So that was a really fun cake. And then this cake I made just a couple of weeks ago with this baby, the cute little baby on the inside the flower. I just thought it came out so precious. Here's a sketch of it. I did a sketch, and so you can see how the finished product looks compared to the sketch. We did a whole bunch of things for this. It was a dessert table, and I think they all came out so cute. There's cookies and donut cake pops, decorated with tiny little gold stars and gold specks, dipped Oreos. I made macarons. I can't remember, a whole bunch of stuff that was super cute. And another one of my favorite cakes is this recently, just last week, I made this superhero cake. And this cake is a lot bigger than what it looks like in the picture. Each character is about, I don't know, about 8-10 inches tall. It served about 300 people. I made it to look like a bunch of characters on a rock, on a big rocky mountain. So that was a lot of fun. Oh, and I love this heart-shaped cake. I showed you guys how to make this one on one of the first videos I released, and you guys can go back and look at it. And it was so fun to make, and I just think it looks super cool with all the gold and everything. So I'm very proud of that one. Oh, let's not forget about the LOL cake. My daughter is obsessed with LOL, so for this year's birthday, I made her a giant LOL standing up doll cake. It was the whole head is cake too, so it's really heavy on top. So it was quite a challenge to get this to work right, but I love how it came out, and of course she was thrilled. Everything from the little flowers on the top of the head, the ribbons on the feet with the little bows, and I love how we did the glittery hair, because of course you can't have a glitter LOL without glitter, and the detail of the glitter on the skirt. I love this cake. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy that. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. We are working on some really fun projects for the summer, especially some nice easy stuff for beginners or stuff that you can work at home with your kids.